Hey guys, Robert with GP Customs, just doing a demo of the new Alpine Halo that we custom installed in a 2019 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle, typically this Halo screen would sit a little bit higher up here on the dash. We actually took it and kind of flipped them out and made a nice little trim panel up top so that it actually misses all the air conditioner controls. It sits really nice in the dash. You still have access to everything. This is the 9-inch screen. It's new from Alpine. It's got a bunch of apps built in, CarPlay, Android Auto, Sirius XM. For this customer, we did the install and we just got done hooking up the CarPlay and testing everything. So there's the CarPlay that brought up. You can read all the messages from CarPlay.
Would you like me to read the messages?
Right
or
there.
Compose a new one?
No. So you can do that and then it'll show your messages if you'd like. It'll do maps. It does quite a bit of different stuff. Pulls from your phone, and it'll do tracking. The cool thing is that it'll use your phone's Wi-Fi as well. You can do hands-free calling, and a lot of the apps that you have on your phone get transferred over to the Alpine display screen. So if you're looking to have a nice big screen in your car and have it have a nice factory look, you know, this has kind of the Lexus factory look with the big screen or what's on the new BMWs, feel free to give us a call. We can get you an estimate. This also has hands-free Bluetooth, hands-free calling, all the amenities that all the new radios have. We fully integrated the steering wheel control, so all that stuff works like factory. Yeah, give us a call at GP Customs if you're looking to get some of this done. Thanks for watching.